Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I will be showing you how to buy 0x0.AI coin. To get this coin, open up your browser and log on to CoinMarketCap. The link will be in the description of the video. Once there, simply scroll through and copy the Ethereum contract address. Yes, the token is an Ethereum token. Once there, scroll till you get to the market section where it's being traded, and you'd find that for the decentralized exchange, we have Uniswap, and for centralized, we have BitGet. Now, with this in mind, minimize and open up any of the platforms. For this video, I'll be going with BitGet as a centralized exchange. So let's open it up and get some of the token. So guys, once on BitGet, make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on BitGet, make sure you use our link in the description of the video to sign up and register and verify. So guys, once you're on BitGet, you've verified your account. How can you get the token? All you need to do is head to the assets menu. Once there, scroll from the overview to the spot and then simply click on add funds. By clicking on the add funds option, you can simply deposit cryptocurrency to your wallet. You could make use of the P2P trading option to buy with your local currency. As you can see here, I'm purchasing, or I can purchase crypto with my local currency because I am verified. I can also make use of my debit card or through my third-party local payments. So all you need to do is click on deposit crypto and deposit any cryptocurrency that can be easily converted to USDT, such as the Notcoin, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Any coin that can be converted into the USDT can be used for this transaction. Or you could make use of the P2P, which is just your local currency for cryptocurrency. All right, so once you've gotten yourself some crypto, such as the USDT, click on trade. Where we have not USDT, click on not USDT and simply type in 0x. Okay, here it is. And then where we have the trading type, instead of going with limit because it will be set to limit order, click it, select market order as the trading style, and then enter the amount of USDT you wish to use, and then simply click on buy. By selecting the buy option, you can simply buy the amount of cryptocurrency you had selected. And if you head to the assets menu and scroll or reload on spot, you'd find the cryptocurrency here. So guys, that's how you can get it on a centralized exchange. If you wish to get it on a decentralized, open up your MetaMask. All right, guys. So once your wallet at the MetaMask is opened up, all you need to do is make sure you have Ethereum for the transaction, as the token is an Ethereum token. So you're going to need Ethereum to cover up gas fees and to potentially swap the coin. So click on the buy ETH. And once you selected the buy ETH option, you're met with buy Ethereum. And then you're now met with the amount of Ethereum you wish to buy in your local currency. So you could buy it in the euro, the dollar, the Norwegian krone, or the Brazilian real. All you need to do is just enter an amount and your payment option. So you could pay with Google Pay, you could pay with your debit or credit card, or a bank transfer. All of these depend on you. And now all you need to do is click on get quotes and you're done. So guys, that's how you can get Ethereum on your wallet. Now we're going to be importing the 0x0 token. So click on import and then click on custom token. Now paste token contract address, click on next and click on next once more. So the 0x0.AI smart contract auditor will be added to our wallet. So click on import. So now when we buy this token or when we buy this coin, it's going to be shown here as in the list of tokens we own. All right. So with this in mind, head to your browser at the bottom right. Once there, simply use the search icon to search for app.uniswap.org. All right, so you're on app.uniswap. What you need to do is, towards the top right corner of the screen, simply click on the connect option to connect your wallet to the platform. It's quite simple. Click on the top right and click on connect. Once you've connected, where we have select token, simply click on select token and then simply paste the contract address of this coin. Once it's been pasted, click on 0x0, click on I understand, and then enter an amount of ETH. So for 0.09, you could be getting 1,526 of the token. So all you need to do is pay a $10 gas fee and you're done. So when you click on swap, it will be, instead of insufficient ETH balance, it's going to be swap. So simply click on swap and you'd find your token here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer.